Hello dear children, so today I'm gonna explain you how you can do simple things in your mobiles or whatever iPad, laptop, whatever you are using. Firstly, I'm giving you guys an example of phone. So this is how your screen looks like. Right over here, what you have is Google or all that you have. Now to organize your phone, also we can talk about that. Let's go this way. Yeah, so here one thing you can put is torch. If you switch it off, it'll go just this way, and if you switch it on, it'll go right this way. That's what I'm talking about. So if you want to organize, don't make much folders. On my phone you can see on the screen, of course, in this video I have just two folders to organize two of my things. First is to organize my all the Google apps. Right over here you can see I have Google, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, all of them. The second folder I have is tools, which I have all the tools like contacts, mail, screen recorders, scanners, downloads, everything like which I mainly use for recording or for other tasks here. Right over here, I have some shortcut keys to organize my day. Like, I wouldn't have to find these all through these apps or folders. I quick have these if I want them. We can add right over here. We have a Google Assistant, Cache Cleaner, and all of them. Now here we have advanced tools for all the apps we have downloaded. So make sure you add on this tab. Now next thing you have is your how to manage your studies. The first thing is when you have your WhatsApp. So here you can see what do I have. I just have 4 folders because this is my new phone. If you go any in of these are just for study. So let's see how I do manage these. Let's go just on the top. So first is the good morning or hi. Now right over here I have some of the things which I really use for notes and sending my notes to children or whatever like that. Okay, after this sending notes is done, there is a lot big note which I have used. Now to write a lot of these notes, you have to just click on this tab and you have a mic option right over here. Whatever you speak will be written here. Okay, like it's a little bit wrong sometimes because you have to wait for a little bit time. Like for example, when it comes to listening, then we speak. See, whatever I am speaking, it is totally writing over there. This is an option in the keyboard, a voice typing option. So this is writing all of this. I'm gonna stop this side over here because I don't wanna send this message, of course. So yeah, this is done. Here we go. Back. Okay. Now I have some of the images which I've received when children have done their work, and I have some of the worksheets that I've sent them. So when they do these worksheets, they send them. Now see, one child has done the worksheet on a board with a marker, but I didn't like it, so I gave her away in this type of video that she can do it in the notes. And how to do this very well, I'm going to tell you guys in this video. So you can just tell, is this better or is this better? Now the next thing is these type of notes, they have to be very clear and I check it on the way. To check it, you have to go at this camera option right over here. You get option. I'll show it to you guys again. In the videos, when you're making videos, the option doesn't come really, but I'm going to show you guys in the gallery. So after doing all this, I send PDFs to them, which really open in an easy way. And like once they open, you can edit them, you can read the children, and I send easy to use PDFs. I have Zoom links. I always send messages for the timetables of the children. Let's get down. Like these all are notes. Sometimes they are videos of what children are doing in their classes. Then I send YouTube videos, practice assignments, and chapter understandings. And then the children do their work, click neat and clean pictures of their work, and then they crop them nicely and send it to me, and that would like really feel good. Now let's go back to tell you guys how you can check. If you have PDFs to check, here you can download this VPS Office app. It really helps to check the PDFs at the time. If you have images sent by your children, then how you can check? You can just go into the gallery. I don't know what's opening right over here. Okay, I'll just close it. So in your gallery, if you go, you have all the recent files. You click on one of the files which you want to check. Here you have option of editing. In different phones it may be different, but always there will be an option for editing and doodling. Right over here you can see doodling option. In doodling also you have several options for making circles. You take this option which is at the first, and you take a suitable red color and you check it all upon this way. It's pretty much easy. You can check it, and even you can just go back. Right here you have the undo and redo buttons, and you can very well sign. Like I'm gonna sign. These are not my true signs, of course, so you can do whatever you like. You can cancel and discard the changes also if you don't like your corrections. Let's go down, and here are all the screenshots. Now every day I like to give my children one thought. Now in this video I am gonna give you one of these thoughts. Here we go. Add doodle for explaining in more clarity. The first step is always the hardest one. Means when you are going to success. Now where is success? Success is, I'll take another color. It's a little different for teacher here. Success is where it is right over here. Here is the success, and when you have to go to success, you can go back. Here you have the success, and for going way to the success you have a long staircase. In the staircase, the step 1 is the hardest one, and that's what my thought of today means. I don't want to keep these, so discarding the changes. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Now other apps which I've downloaded are themes which give me a proper theme. I have weather which tells me the weather of the day. Notes, yes. What the other thing I wanted to tell you guys, notes, you go one plus note right over here. If you can see my pointer, here we go. It is a plain empty note. Whatever you want to type, you have to type it. I don't want typing. If you want to do voice typing, you can do it the same way right over here. I'll speak something. Hello, my name is dash dash dash. Are you free? Please tell me. Okay, so this is how it copies down. Now once you have copied it, you wanted to add a theme, you have to go right down here and you have to select the theme you want. For example, if I want a dark theme, and I've got it right over here. And if you want to send it, you have the option. You click on the tick. You have an option for sending. You have share note as a picture or as a text. So you can select any of these and send it. Next thing you get, here are pictures. If you want to add pictures, how to add pictures, you go to camera, you click your own picture, or you go to gallery. So once your picture is clicked, you just have to, here you will get a tick mark option and you have to put this on tick. Right over here you have it, and this picture will be surely added over here. If you don't want to click it and you want to add it from the gallery, or you want to save this picture right over here in the gallery, you can surely do this. Again, if you want to add another picture from the gallery, now here we go in the gallery. I have a lot of pictures right away, but I go to the recent ones. I select one picture, and I think this is the right one. And yes, this picture is totally added upon. So that's what I want to tell you guys about notes. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Bye bye.